Welcome to m.graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to add spray effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, open the layer panel. If it's not there, drag it from the window menu. Double-click on it to unlock the background layer. Create a blank layer. Select the brush tool. Adjust its size. And foreground color should be white. And apply. Then press Ctrl+T, right-click on it, and choose Perspective. And follow me. Then select the rectangular marquee tool. Select the half part. And delete. Press Ctrl+T. Adjust it. And set it like this. And change its blend mode to dissolve. Create a copy of it. And set the blend mode to normal. Hold the Shift key, and select both layers. Right-click on it and choose Merge Layers. And it's done. I hope you like this. Share your thoughts on this. Thank you for watching.